Hi there. Today I want to discuss one of the simplest fasting techniques for weight loss. It's called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, but the most popular and easiest to follow is the 16-8 method. The August 16th method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you could choose to eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., and then fast from 8 p.m. until 12 p.m. the next day. I'm going to show you 5 tips for implementing the 16-8 method, so let's get started, shall we? 1. Choose an eating window that works best for your schedule and lifestyle. Some people prefer to skip breakfast, while others may choose to skip dinner. 2. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense, balanced meals during your eating window. This includes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. 3. Stay hydrated during both the fasting and eating periods by drinking plenty of water. 4. Listen to your body and adjust the fasting schedule if needed. If you feel lightheaded or excessively hungry, consider shortening the fasting period or adjusting the eating window. 5. Combine intermittent fasting with regular physical activity for optimal weight loss results. Before starting any fasting technique, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual needs. Intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.